Organizing content on the syllabus page. Now, you need to add the content from your old syllabus page into the new syllabus for the course. Don't copy the section dividers. Just copy or Control-C the content of the different sections of the syllabus page from the old syllabus page and paste or Control-V it into the corresponding section of the new course syllabus. Finally, you will need to check the HTML for the page and verify that all Dropbox links have been removed. Step 1. While in edit mode for the page, click the HTML editor in the upper right corner. Step 2. Click Control F. Step 3. Search Dropbox. Step 4. There should not be any results unless you have provided Dropbox instructions to the students on the page. You will also want to access the page in Student View to make sure everything on the page appears and all the links are working properly. You have successfully completed Step 6. Now we will move on to Step 7, updating modules 1 through 15.